Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to create a new account on Make.com. So let's get started. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and in the URL box type in Make.com and search. Now once you're inside this official homepage of Make, go ahead and click on the Get Started Free button at the top right corner. Once you do that, you'll end up in this sign up option on the left. You can sign up using your work email with Google or with any other account options that has been displayed on the left hand corner. I'm just going to sign up with work email. Click on sign up with work email and then enter an email address in the first field. Go ahead and enter your correct email address in the first field. Once you do that, head over to the next field and then write down your name. After writing down your full name, create a password on the next field. Make sure that your password matches these criteria displayed at the bottom. After typing it down, double check it by clicking on this eye icon. And once done, go ahead and select your hosting region and then your country. Finally, click on sign up for free. You'll receive a verification email onto your provided email address. Make sure to open the same email that you just entered while signing up. Now click open the email from me and click on the verify email button to verify your provided email. Right after you do that, you'll be able to see this interface. Go ahead and answer some of the questions such as how did you hear about Make? Answer all the questions that has been asked to you in the process. And once you are done with it, your Make.com account is now ready for use. Now you can start creating automations, connect apps like Telegram, Instagram, Google Sheets, ChatGPT, and much more. So that's how you create a new account for Make.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.